What's up, guys? So I got a lot of questions about whether or not you can make the Spotify glass artwork with, YouTube or Apple Music, because it is limited to Spotify with the video that I posted. So here's a quick video on how to do that. I'm not going to go through the entire step by step on how to use my template or how to weed the vinyl and all that fun stuff. So if you want to know how to do any of that, if you're struggling with Cricut Design Space or how to assemble the actual thing, please check out my other video. I'm just going to show you in this one how to grab the QR code to customize it for YouTube or Apple Music. All right. So I've got a video here that is not on Spotify, and I'm grabbing this link for this example. So all you need to do is copy and paste the link up here. YouTube is pretty easy for this. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to go to QR code generator. Okay, this is goqr.me. I'm going to link everything in the description as always, so please check that out with all the links that I'm mentioning here. All right, so all you're going to do here is paste this link. All right, I believe it is under URL that we want. So you're going to want to grab that and hit enter. Awesome, and this will pop up. All right, so you're going to go ahead and download this, and you're going to save it this time as a JPEG or a PNG. Okay, do not save this one as an SVG. I mean, if you want to try to cut it out on your Cricut, you're more than welcome to, but I'm telling you right now that this is a pain in the butt to weed. Okay, so I highly recommend you don't cut this out on vinyl. Instead, I highly recommend that you do this as a print and cut and just print this QR code out, because look at all these little bits. Like, it's just looking at it, like, it's a nightmare. So download this, and then we are going to head over to Cricut Design Space, and we're going to upload it. Okay. Cool. It doesn't matter what you select on this page. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit continue, and then save this as a print then cut image, not as a cut image. Awesome. We're going to load that in. All right, so on this template, so once again, you can grab this template. I will link it again in this video, but check out my other video to understand how to actually use the template. I've already kind of gone ahead and done all the stuff here, so that's why it doesn't look the same. This is kind of like the completed version. So my recommendation, so the Spotify link kind of went underneath this picture. My recommendation is that you move things around and you put this QR code right here, okay? This doesn't look too busy, and this code will scan. I've tested it out, so this will scan when you go to print and cut. So once again, this top album image is a print and cut. That is something I printed out on my laser printer and cut it out. This will also be a print then cut. Cut it out, print it out on my laser printer and cut it out, and everything else here, so the text and all the icons and little buttons here, they will be in vinyl. All right, so head over to the other video if you want to find out how to use the template. I'm going to show you one more thing before we go, and that is how to use or how to find the link on Apple Music. So once again, I will link this, so click on that link. This is the link maker for Apple Music, and you can just search for a song. So let's say Watermelon Sugar. And just be careful you're grabbing the right thing here. So this is the artist, right? And we want the song. If you click on the song here, head to the bottom, and this is the link that we want to copy into our QR generator, okay? So grab that code, plop it into the QR generator, and you should be good to go. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. All right, see you later.